Sometimes competition is so fierce, it is better to give up your catch for the sake of survival. The seagull has avoided the heron's air attack and gets back to the shallow waters in order to look again for a tasty fish that slipped in there. After a second attempt, it finds it, and it's fast to get it back to safer waters far away from the shore. The long travel and physical effort requires a hearty meal, and sweetwater algae in the shallow waters of the lakes and rivers in Bulgaria have the nutrition required for the birds. It's not only birds who have discovered these sources of essential nourishment.